I'm looking for artists for a project that perhaps we could call the I Ching Memory Palace Project. And if you're interested in I Ching, hopefully you would find this helpful. And the idea is for each of these 8 trigrams of the I Ching, have one artist make one of the images that I've built based on the information that's in the Great Treatise. And luckily, I already have an artist who wants to work on the first one, Xian, Acid Frog Tattoo, thank you, and we started talking in the Discord. So if you want to join up there and talk about it more, that would be great. But for all you interested, here's what the Memory Palace image looks like for Xion, who is the creative. He is the 3 yang lines. He is the father. And so the image would be, usually there's a left, a right, and a center. And so to help associate the ideas with him. And so on the left side is 4 horses, because the horse is his animal. And so there's a good horse representing power, an old horse representing endurance, a lean horse representing firmness, and a wild horse representing strength. And then on the right side, you have a big, beautiful tree filled with tree fruit, because tree fruit is associated with him as well. And underneath, you have a prince-like character, perhaps a little circlet, and wearing an upper garment. So perhaps a robe in the old Giordano Bruno friar style of things. And this prince would be holding a tablet or parchment, kind of an old patriarchal style piece of text, because he also is representing the word. And so then in the center, something that's unique to this image in the Memory Palace is the actual 3 yang lines themselves, because there's 3 colors that we can associate here. The first line would be a deep red, because that is the intensified color of the light principle, according to Chinese thought around this. And then the middle yang line would be midnight blue, because the text of him is midnight blue. And then he's also associated with jade as a symbol of spotless purity. So the bottom line would be a beautiful green jade. And then the last thing associated with him that I have a picture for is a dragon. He's associated with dragons. So I would think put a dragon on that top yang line, perhaps using those 3 colors to make up the dragon. And the only things I don't have images for that are mentioned in the Great Treatise is Xian is also associated with cold, with ice, and with metal to represent firmness. And he is seen as straight, which is a hard thing to get into an image, as well as duration in change. So that's what the image would look like, and I will do a series about the rest. And if you're an artist who would like to illustrate one of these images, get in touch with me here or on the Discord.